Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we have completed chapter 5 in Vistas, and the name of chapter was Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Dear students, with that lesson, we have completed the half yearly portion in your literature portion. In literature section, dear students, whatever was in unit test except the Tiger King in Vistas book, all other lessons will come in your half yearly. Means you have to see very carefully the revised syllabus of 2020 and 21, or especially the syllabus which is sent by school for the half yearly portion, that will come in your exam. Dear students, after the completion of literature portion, today I am going to teach you one of the important writing skills, that is the short composition, and it is invitation or in that formal replies. Dear students, before this I have taught you about the invitation. In that I have taught you and told you formal invitation as well as informal invitation, or I have told you what are the techniques and methods to write a formal invitation and informal invitation. I have discussed in detail, or related to formal and informal invitation, many questions I have given you for the practice. Dear students, but in formal and informal invitation, you must know the formal replies and informal replies. As I have told you in the beginning, this question of invitation is compulsory and it will surely and certainly come in your exam, or it is a short composition. Maximum word limit is 50 words. So you have to keep in mind all these points. Dear students, whenever you write formal invitation to someone, so in that case, dear children, the person who is invited by you, it is his or her duty to send you reply also. So the duty of guest is to send the reply to the host. Host work is to invite the guests in written, and guest duty is to send reply in written. If the guest is in position to attend the function, attend that particular occasion, then it will be in the category of acceptance. Or if the guest is not in position to attend that function, then he will surely send the reply, send the message, or it will be in category of refusal. So first the host will invite the guest, or after receiving the invitation, then guest will send the reply to the host whether he is going to attend the function or not. Suppose Mrs. and Mr. Sethi has given one dinner party to Mr. and Mrs. Bhatia, and after receiving the invitation, Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia are very happy, or they want to attend that function. So they will surely and certainly send the reply to the host, or in that he will surely and certainly write that Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia are thankful to Mrs. and Mr. Sethi for their kind invitation at the dinner party to be organized in their house at 8 p.m. on Sunday. Or they will be happy to be on the occasion in your company. Dear students, so means acceptance message should be sent to the host, or if he or she or Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia are not in position to attend, dear students, so they will write the same message कि Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia are thankful to Mrs. and Mr. Sethi for their kind invitation at the dinner party to be organized in their house at 8 p.m. on Sunday, but they, due to their previous engagement, due to their important work, they are not in position to attend the function. So this type of reply must be sent by the guest to the host. Two samples I have taken, one of acceptance and one of refusal. See, कि Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia are thankful to Mrs. and Mr. Sethi. So the person who has invited Mrs. and Mr. Sethi, or the guest Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia, for what? For their kind invitation at the dinner party to be organized in their house at 10 p.m. or you may write date also, on 5th September 2020. Or they will be happy, they means the hosts, the guests will be happy to be on the occasion in the company of host, in your company. So means that acceptance message will be sent by the guest to the host. See another example of refusal. Here, Mrs. and it is suppose about the birthday party or any function, any occasion, or if the guest is not in position to attend, then how he will write the message, or how that Mrs. and Mr. will write the message. So Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia thank Mrs. and Mr. Sethi Thanks for what? Thanks for inviting. Thanks for giving invitation. So Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia thank Mrs. and Mr. Sethi for their kind invitation. They are thankful. They give their heartiest thanks to the host for giving invitation, for inviting the guests, or they wanted to be very much in your gracious company, in your humble, in your kind and courteous company. But due to previous engagement, they express their regret. May God shower their grace on this occasion. So means they will write the same thing, but they will show their inability, their regression, their suppose clarification that for what reason they are not in position to attend the function. So if acceptance, then if the invitation is accepted and the guest is ready to attend, then that acceptance message will be written. Or if suppose the guest has received the invitation, but due to some problem he is not in position to attend, then it will be in category of refusal. So dear children, you must suppose know both the types of formal acceptance, formal replies in that acceptance, and formal replies in that refusal. So this is the way. First, Mrs. and Mr. Bhatia are thankful to the host, Mrs. and Mr. Sethi. This is the way of writing the acceptance and refusal. Formal replies. Dear children, I hope you have understood. You must write the given sample in your book, in your notebook, and tomorrow, dear students, we will discuss about the informal replies. Thank you, dear children.